It's no secret that schools are investing big bucks in classroom technology. From iPads and Chromebooks to smartboard displays and computer labs, access to some sort of tech is practically inescapable. But what becomes of this classroom tech, and how can it be taken advantage of effectively day in and day out? Once the honeymoon stage is over, a lot of teachers find themselves transitioning from, "Oh wow," to "What now?" Good professional development is invaluable. Oftentimes, cafeteria-style in-service days leave those who may be new to technology feeling overwhelmed or frustrated, and the techie teachers wishing they'd learned something new. And what about administrators and technology coaches? How are they able to gauge both the effectiveness and the engagement of each crucial staff development day? Welcome to Smart Online PD by Kyte, the simplest way to discover the newest tech tools available for the classroom, as well as practical lesson application examples to help you take full advantage of the tech you already have. Our EdTech-specific content is created by expert teachers from around the globe who are using technology in their classroom in really cool ways. Thanks to the short, relevant video lessons, finding just what you need to take your technology integration to the next level is only a few clicks away. Whether you're anxious to learn about a brand new tool or technology for your classroom, or if you're on a mission to discover new ways to use a familiar resource, Smart Online PD by Kyte can help you find what you need at your own pace and on your own time. Keep tabs on everything you're learning while earning badges and certifications through self-assessments built into each course, and create groups to organize different users according to their learning style and level of tech savviness. Sign up with a free account today to start browsing our huge library of EdTech content. Smart Online PD by Kyte. Get the most out of all your EdTech.